Hi guys, you're on Sweets and Treats channel. My name is Annie and today we're making bakery style chocolate glaze marble cake with swirls of tender vanilla and fudgy chocolate. Need eggs, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, milk, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, instant coffee or coffee extract, and pinch of salt. Make sure all ingredients are room temperature. In mixing bowl, combine eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar, and whisk it until light and fluffy. Add milk, oil, and combine it together. In spare bowl, combine sifted flour, baking powder, salt, and mix it together. Add the flour mixture into the butter. Divide the butter into 2 equal parts. Add the remaining milk and flour into the first bowl and mix it well. Add sifted cocoa powder and brewed coffee into the second bowl and combine it together. Butter the baking pan or spray it with a non-stick cooking spray and sprinkle it with flour. Pour 1/4 part of the vanilla butter into the bottom of the pan. Pour in 1/4 part of the chocolate butter. Keep doing it alternating layers. Use a skewer to create the signature marble cake effect. Bake it for 35 to 40 minutes in the preheated oven to 170 degrees. While the cake is baking, let's make chocolate glaze. For that we will need milk chocolate, vegetable oil and crushed hazelnuts. First we need to melt the chocolate. You can microwave it in 30 seconds intervals until it's fully melted or melt it using a steam bath. Add oil and mix it together. Add hazelnuts and mix it again. Our glaze is ready. You can check the cake readiness with the skewer. Skewer inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean. Let the cake cool at room temperature and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes before glazing. Make sure that glaze is room temperature and not hot, and cake must be chilled well. After glazing, let the cake rest for 30 minutes in the fridge. And enjoy every bite of it.